Saan ba best maglagay ng pera? Sa MP2 Pag-ibig, SSS Flexi, or sa Unit Trust? Kung may sobra kang 5,000 to 10,000 pataas na pera monthly, panoorin mo muna ito bago ka maghulog sa mga ito. Let's start first with Pag-ibig MP2. Number 1, government backed. Number 2, 7% average ang return nito. Number 3, 5 years lock-in. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pwedeng galawin ang pera mo in the first 5 years. Number 4, non-taxable earnings. Ibig sabihin, neto na yung makukuha mong pera dito kapag nag-mature after 5 years. This is best for low risk and mid-term savings. Maikli lang yung panahon, pero walang risk para sa'yo. Now let's go with SSS Flexi Fund. Number 1, this is made para sa mga OFWs. Meron tong 4 to 5% na average return. Withdraw anytime but may reduce yung earnings mo. This is best for retirement-focused long-term savings. Walang risk, mababa ang return. Now let's go to unit trust or unit trust funds. Number 1, these are managed by banks and insurance companies. Number 2, potential higher return nito. Meron tong 6 to 12% or more depende sa market condition. And ang problem ng neto, meron tong risk of loss. This is best for medium to high risk investor na ang thinking nila is for long term. So, kung gusto mo ng siguradong kita, MP2 at SSS Flexi Fund ang para sa iyo. Pero kung gusto mo ng medyo aggressive at gusto mo ng mas mataas ang potential na return, mag-unit trust ka. Ang unit trust is perfect for people who are younger. Kung matanda ka na, it is still okay pero you must accept na merong risk of loss. Pero yung potential return is higher compare sa MP2 and SSS Flexi Fund.